There has been a remarkable progress in the reformation of the Okomfo Anokye Teaching Hospital, said the project head. The Okomfo Anokye Teaching Hospital is undergoing a great transformation, and the Heal the Okomfo Anokye Project, led by King Solomon Osei Tutu II, he has vowed and promised $10 million towards this project. This week at the Akrobeto and the project, the ceremony, he calls on all individuals to come together to mobilize to help fund this operation. And guess who we spotted at this function? We spotted the flag bearer of MPP, Dr. Bawumia and his wife. And we also spotted Kyekyeku, Akrobeto, Kyekyeku, and all the gang. Take a look at this video.